Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawla with Team Micro here. So today we are going to give you a demo session about this particular panel. So this is customized milliampere test panel designed and developed for our client, and the client requirement is very clear that we need this type of panel. Also we have brainstormed lots of different types of things, in particular this test fixer that we have utilized milliampere meters, that is analog, and we have brainstormed to use the digital meters, but the issues was that we need to give a rising and falling time to particular this particular digital meters. So in analog we have the quick response, so we have the quick production, and we can reduce the production time also. So we have utilized these particular meters. These meters are NABL certified, and we are giving NABL certifications if any clients required, and if pre conversation is done on the NABL certification. So we are providing these type of certifications to our clients also. So this is the panel which can be used. The particular USB device is taking enough milliampere or not. So we are going to give you, client is going to give you some marking. So any technician or any operator can just easily come to know when they connect the USB device that particular USB device is taking this much milliampere or not, and they will take the decision the device is pass and fail. We'll also give you an inside of the fixture also if in this particular video. So let's have a quick demo and practical demo of this. So you can see how design and development done at Micro. So these are the USB port, military grade USB port, where user can just insert the USB device and check that particular milliampere is taken by this device or not. So let's start the practical demo. You can see a design, a slant angle design is given from Micro. So it is very easy to use this fixer, and it is very convenient to use this fixer when it is slant, so operator can see very easily in the panel. So I have one this device. This is a power bank of 1000 milliampere, 10,000 milliampere. So let's see. Yeah, this is taking a milliampere. You can see a finger is moving on meter. So when I am I just do a switch off this particular power bank. You can see here decreasing in milliampere. So yeah, it is working the very perfectly, and it is giving the output. So you can see when I am pressing the button, movement of the finger is very quick. Yeah, so one can easily use this and easily disconnect this particular panel. So very quick responsive finger movement you can see in particular analog meters. Also we have let's go inside. You can see how exactly you are working with the inside. So these particular wires, you can see a mass of wires. This is for the future utilization. Some of the work is remaining, and this is for the future utilization purpose. So we are going to route it properly. You can see one power supply here. Uh, some buck converters are here. So from buck converters, we have done the parallel and series connection with the meters. So from 1 meter, you can test two particular USB device. So yeah, thank you guys for watching us. Keep in touch with Micro. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel so we will get the motivation. And thank you guys for watching us.